We're recording now, so we're gonna record you.
All right, now watch me do an amazing karate chop. 3, 2, 1, go!
I think I shot his head.
No, but then he saw me.
What the heck?
My rifle.
Okay.
Rifle.
Was it?
Are you gonna shoot him?
Probably.
No, not with the real thing.
Okay.
What?
I'm alive. I'm in heaven. Or where am I?
Okay.
Did I just knock on myself?
Okay. So as you see, this is our first video.
Hey.
Yeah, that's my family. He's my cousin.
I know the boomerang guy.
Oh,
Crazy cousin.
Oh, look at your back. Your back. Turn around. Let YouTube see your back.
No.
Okay.
Let YouTube see the world. Stop. You guys are so mean.
No, dude. Let me clean off your back. Turn around.
No.
No, I need.
You can't record it.
Fine. I'm cleaning it. Chill. Meanwhile, let's look at this tree. Ooh, nice tree.
I hate nature. I hate nature. I hate. Record this. I hate nature.
Oh, dang, that's my brother. He's coming.
Run.
What the hell?
I hate nature.
I got this. Ooh. Oh.
Actually hurt me.
But dude, that gun hurts a lot. I need that rifle. Give me that rifle. No. Here. I need that bullet. Ooh. Mama, you good?
Rocket.
Here, you record, Mama.
She's not recording.
Ah.
I got something in my eye.